What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, real quick, March 13, I believe it's Saturday, we're going to be going to Willow Springs, and we're going to be taking the Chaser. But before anything else, we got to prep the car. There's a lot of things I want to do to the car. One of the main things that I noticed the last time we took it to the track was the tie rods. Tie rod ends, they were pretty much gone. I replaced one already. A ver, let me show you guys real quick. A ver si la podemos ver. So yeah, I got these off a GS 430, and they're the same thing. The GS 430 ones were like maybe like ½ inch shorter, but it don't matter because we have enough threads on the inner tie rod, so they should work. And then I'm doing the other side right now. I took it off already. This is what it looks like. Just for reference, I'm gonna pull out the new one, and then we're gonna compare it side to side with the old one. No, para que vean que está más cortita. So here we have the new one on the right, and then you guys can see it's slightly smaller, shorter. It should work. Threads are the same, and like I said, I did the other side already. I did the passenger side already. It's weird saying passenger side because it's a right-hand drive car, so I did the right-hand side or the right side, and then I'm gonna do the left side right now. So ahí está. We're doing that. I'm doing an oil change. I emptied out the oil already, and then I'm gonna be running. Where's the new oil? Oh, acá está. I'm gonna be running Valvoline VR1 2050. When I drained the old oil, it didn't look too bad, so de todos modos, it wouldn't hurt, you know, to throw new oil. New filter is on. I just gotta find the little cone so I can throw the oil. And then also, I went to my boy David, and then I mounted some tires. Previously on the TEs, I had these tires. These are, I think, 275 35 18, and then I'm gonna be running 225 40 18 because these tires were too fat. I mean, I like me, but since the car is a drift car, I was rubbing in the inside. Right now, also, what we're gonna be doing, Christian ahorita viene, he went to his house real quick, but we're gonna be switching out the springs. I think these are 12K, and then the rears are 8K. We're gonna be running these massive 40K, and then the springs that I have in the front, the 12K, I'm gonna run them in the back because the car is too high right now. And then the reason I haven't lowered it is because the car has a lot of body roll, so that's why I didn't want to drop it yet until I install these springs. Since the car is coming down, I installed different tires, and then we're gonna make it look nice and hot boy. So the only concern is the springs are 40K, so it's gonna be really stiff in the front, pero pues ni pedo, that's all we got. I'm gonna try to get some 20Ks though. A ver qué pedo, but these things are massive. Look at that shit. Mira. No mames, wey. Pero pues ni pedo, that's all we got. So todo sea por el drift. Alright, broskis, I'm gonna finish doing the tie rods. We'll throw in the oil. I'll wait for Christian so he can help me do the springs. We'll throw the wheels on. We'll drop it, and then my bad. And then the last thing we're gonna be doing is aligning the car, and then try to fix this bumper because it fits like shit. And then I also got a new bumper and side skirts coming in. Ya los ordené. I made the order already, so I just gotta wait for him, and then we'll fix the quarter panel. We'll fix this quarter panel, and then we'll paint it. A ver qué pedo. But leave me some paint suggestions, broskis. I'm kind of leaning towards this color. It's like a black with the green metallic, or I don't know, something. I just don't want to add flex to this car because I might daily it. So a ver qué pedo. And then also I think I'm gonna install this exhaust and make the car a little bit quiet, just because this one has a muffler, and then the other one is just straight pipe. Pero a ver qué pedo right now. I still don't know. Sorry if I'm talking too fast, but the rain might come. I still got a lot to do to this car. And then today, it's my only day off. A ver qué pedo. Let's get it, broskis. Those things are massive. Alright, I'm removing the rears, but to do that I had to remove the back seat, and so we can get some access. Should be quick though. Some beefy springs. These are the old ones, yeah. That's why I had all that body roll. Pero now I'm gonna have all the stiffness. Might be too stiff now, but we'll see what happens. And then rears, we're going from 8K to 12K, so it should be a little bit better. It should be good overall, I think. On a drift car, you kind of want a little bit of stiff in the front, and then squatting soft in the back. So a ver qué pasa. And then not a fan of stretch tires, pero pues todo sea por tener un stance car. Is it stance? Stance?
That should work.
Is that what it's called, way? Or a fuckboy fitment? That Daniel San fitment? that pinche, ¿cómo se llama ese güey? Stock out sideways fitment. Estos güeyes. The day they came, güey, trajeron sus pinches yonques, güey. Y saqué el mío, güey. My shit look like a fucking off-road car, güey, you know? But it works, you know? Esa madre, güey, le pisas y drifts. El de esos güeyes, pues, no hace nada, güey, más que quemar llanta, güey. Es nomás para que se pongan las pilas, cabrones. I know you're fucking listening. También tú, pinche Baza, güey. Andas valiendo verga, güey. With your fucking stretch tires, güey. So with that, at least, mira, esta, I don't think I'm gonna debate on this shit. But if I had more stretch tire, güey, yo creo que sí valiera verga.
Still not a fan.
Yeah, still not a fan though. Me neither, güey. Pero pues todo sea por el bajar el carro, güey, and look cool, güey.
I would have taken the fenders off.
No, way. When I fuck up the fenders, I have the flares. But we'll put the flares on. We'll put those tires back on. I'm gonna save them. I put them away right now, but I'm gonna save them. Cheyonke.
Yup.
Mira, Christian's other whip, just pretty clean. Mira, no sé cómo le hace el Chris, pero mira, chicarrazo. Sick. Oh yeah, here's the other side with the tire mounted on. A ver qué pedo, a ver qué show. I think it's gonna look alright. And then, like I said, probably next week I should be getting my side skirts and the bumper. No rear bumper because this shit's cut up. They cut this thing too high up, so the bumper, si le pongo un bumper, it's gonna be like right here, and then we're gonna have a gap, so there's no point in having a bumper. I'll just probably make like a bash bar or something cool for now. And then I have a new tail light. I still need to get this piece, but si no, pues no hay pedo. It's gonna stay like that for a while. ¿Está si no?
No, están todos llenos
De tierra?
yeah. So
It won't spin.
yeah. Well, that way the coilover can sit flush. That's good.
And then I have the exhaust right there ready to go. Ahorita se lo voy a poner. It's just 2 bolts, and then it should bolt right up, so I can switch out that straight pipe. Just to see a ver cómo se oye.
That sound better.
Sound better? It's just too loud, like right here, way. The car, I park it all the way, like I park it next to the Yamaha, and then every time I turn it on, the exhaust is pointing my neighbor's house. She hasn't said anything, but I don't want to bother her, you know. It's been really cool lately. I don't want to bother anybody. And the reason I think it's been cool, like nobody has called the city on me, is because I put some American flags right here. Mira, Donald Trump, what's up? Neta, güey, ya no me han molestado, güey. After I threw those flags, nothing. I'm cool with everybody now. I fit in. All of a sudden, huh? I have a bad feeling about this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. ¿Crees que se vaya a barrer o qué?
No, Oh, I'm busting my knuckles on the floor. Let me get that socket. Oh. Damn, this thing's light.
¿Y el otro?
This one's fucking light.
Digo,
This one's heavier.
The other one's heavier?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah. Just a little bit here. Oh, yeah.
Pretty good.
The reason I like that style is because the canister is really small. It's only the same size as the tip. But you can't buy those here. You can't find them.
No?
I've never found them. Usually the canister is huge.
That way. You can put it straight.
Alright, broskies. I brought the car to Best Tire Shop to get aligned. A ver cómo nos va. Alright, broskies, so we're here at Best Tire Shop. Mira nomás the new alignment rack. I'm not that low, but check it out. Está bien chingona esta madre. For all you low boys. So we had a little issue, broskies. The rear did not go all the way down. We maxed out the rear. And then I didn't want to lower the front anymore because se iba a ver como empinado. It was going to look weird. So I left the front like that. The rear is going to stay like that. That's it. That's the lowest it's going to go. I don't like how it looks at all. Pero pues, ni pedo. Fucked up. We got a drift event coming up. Yeah, all it needs is an alignment and she'll be ready to rip. It feels a lot stiffer. I drove it and I kind of swinged it a little bit and no more body roll. They got rid of most of the body roll. We won't know until drift day. Gave the car a little wash and the truck because they were filthy. It's been raining the whole week. Andaban bien cochinones, but mira nomás. Chulada. I drove the car around the block at Best Tire Shop and the alignment came out amazing. Again,